Hi, today I'm going to tell you how to create LinkedIn post in under 3 minutes. Here is an interesting way that I have found out. A lot of people who are on LinkedIn, the biggest problem you people are facing is how to create a LinkedIn post. Claude is one of the fantastic tools that I've identified. This is an easy way, most easy way to write a post. Over here, I'm going to write your topic in detail in 2 3 lines. My topic is, let's take the latest union budget, then the union budget 25. Now let's hit enter. Just analyze the union budget, etc. about the healthcare. Our finance minister game changers. This is the first part of the post. Now I will tell Claude, which is healthcare CEO of with 27 years experience. Please help me you understand why I should validate this post and why I shouldn't. Now I'm doing a criticizing over here. Why shouldn't? Now use the why I should post and those people make a then please to share and with 22% increase. Here comes a critical lessons, the medical equipment taxation. So now the post is a thought leadership post because I've given an angle that my target audience is 27 years of experience in healthcare industry. If I put that particular part, it changes the whole perception. Reaching gig workers. So Ayushman Bharat expansion, where here's what crucial revised reimbursement rates, stricter compliance protocols, and new quality metrics. Your revenue cycle teams need to be prepared. Implementation of timeline under the digital health infrastructure grants come with specific compliance deadlines. Hospitals have 18 months to integrate AI diagnostic and updated EMR systems. For my fellow healthcare, the budget isn't just about expanded coverage, it's about operational transformation we need to focus on. Updated compliance frameworks, restructured financial model, and revise industry. We will use pointers that Claude gave us. Now what happens is, having spent 3 decades building, managing, I have policies come and go. Healthcare reform, they are different. So this is the perception. As someone managing 3,000 plus healthcare professionals, I can tell you, this isn't just another policy, it's complete reset on how we think about healthcare. So right now, I'm completely talking like a leadership over here. This is what is missing for a lot of people who create LinkedIn posts. You need to create a LinkedIn post with that particular trend and then you need to tweak it. Okay. Now let's take the third part. The third part I'll teach you differently, but now for the can you help me say along with I'm asking for a visual representation that connects with this. Let's see how it is giving us this visual representation. It's working. See, healthcare budget 20 key impact areas: workforce, mandatory skill upgrade, specialization training, HR blueprint. Just need to do a simple thing. I just need to use this. My post is ready. Now I'll teach you the third type. The third type is a bit different. The third type is over here. So here is a post that I like. Now I'll be sharing a LinkedIn post that I like. I'll just share the content. I will not share anything else. And I can share any post which I think is relevant. So this is the post that I'll be copying. I've given the content. Now I will ask, now you act as a prompt content. Act as a prompt content. So now you act as a program tech innovation. So now you is act as a review of expert. Forget about the spelling mistakes. That's not a problem for healthcare. Now entire thing will change. See, the 500 crore AI allocation just isn't another number. It is looking at something specific. Telemedicine can jump from 1,000 to 15,000 monthly in just 2 years. Bharatiya Bhasha Initiative, 40% better patient compliance when healthcare information is available in regional languages. Expanded funds help means more healthcare, let alone the quarter. So this is where the complete it changes. I have 3 posts and 3 posts are top leadership level posts, and I really don't need to put in my head to write or craft this. And I did this for you in less than 3 minutes. What is that you're looking to do now? I'll be giving you these particular prompts in the below description. Use these prompts and start making your updates quicker. Thanks for